This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth.Renney. Brick ranch home situated on an acre of land. This single-owner home has been upgraded over the last year. These upgrades include a new roof, completely renovated bathroom, new appliances, new flooring in the kitchen, bathroom and living area, new sliding glass doors that go out to a new deck. HVAC is around 5 years old. If you are looking for privacy, this is worth checking out. Fireplace and storage sheds are to convey as is. December 30, 2024. For more information, review the details below.